Hey guys, so in this video we will be learning that how you can create your own toast, how you can customize your own toast. So let's get started. For this project I have already included this library into my dependencies, and also I have created a button in my layout. On clicking which button I'll be showing the toast. So let's get started by implementing our main activity file. And first let's implement an on click here, and let's name this as show toast. Now I'll implement this method over here. So using here the styleable toast, as we have included that library, so the rest of the format will be the normal toast we use. Need text, and then what we need to find pass out as the first argument is the get application context, as we do in a normal toast. Then we need to pass out the text. Let's suppose I'm typing hello world over here, and now the difference here is like passing your own style file. So let's say I'm naming it as example, and then we'll create the style file. So that's why it's showing an error over here and dot show. Now what we'll do is we'll just simply move to our resources, then values, and then styles. And similar to our app theme style, we'll simply create another style field over here. So will be style name, and I'll name it as example because this is the same name I've used over there. And now I need to just set certain items over here. Item name equals to, let's first set the color background, and let's say I'm passing the code to be 1190. And now what I need to pass is I need to pass another item over here, and let's say I'm passing text color, which I simply want to be white, so I'll be using this color code. And also let's say that I am showing a emoji over here, icon to my toast. I'm assigning an icon to my toast. So let's say I'm just naming it as equals to icon. I want my icon to be there in the left, so it's icon left. Sorry, this will be icon left, and I need to pass an icon over here. So for that, the icon should be present in my drawables, and for that what I'll do is I'll just simply include an icon over here. So let's say I'm just selecting mood. Choose and name it as white. Next, and finish. So what we'll do is we'll include the drawable, and the drawable is here. So this is how we have styled our toast over here. So let's just run this. It's showing that minimum SDK version for my application is 15, but for this particular library we need to set it to 16. the minimum SDK version to should be 16. So let's say I'm setting it to 21, and I'm just doing it sync now. So now we'll check that how our app is working. So on click of a button, we are seeing a customized toast. So this is how our toast, styleable toast library works. You can even use the different parameters over here. You can define the strokes that you want the boundary to be black or white or of any other different color. You can define gradients. You can similarly use various different parameters to design your toast. So this is how your styleable toast library works. I hope you like it. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.